There's so much glitter. It's such pretty glitter, but this is what happened. It was Zart. He did it again. I think he might have to stay in jail permanently. What do you think? Or maybe a week. Comment down below. But he cut up Buddy for the second time. But this time, rainbow colors came out. I can't believe it. It looks so magical. Look how sparkly it is. Zart, why are you so mean? I can't believe it. I almost started to cry whenever I saw this. But luckily I do have the cinnamon. Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle it on and around. Let's have some here. A little bit over here. The glitter's all over my hands too. Poor Buddy. I think I need to start hiding the sharp objects from Zart too. Okay, I'm gonna come back soon. And hopefully Zart will be gone and maybe Buddy will be better. Well, it's a relief. Buddy recovered fully. And look what he has in his hands. That's right. He has the keys. I wonder how long he's gonna have these keys for. Okay, so look. He locked up Zart. And with Buddy having the keys, I just wonder how long he's going to keep them for. And I decided to leave it completely up to him. I am not going to touch these keys. Those are his to be the judge of because Zart has been so mean. Comment down below how long Zart should stay in jail for. And if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf does. Well, as always, I love my silly elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.